Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. The best internet resources about how to bake a ham on a gas grill. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to bake a ham on a gas grill is everydaylife.globalpost.com. Specifically the page titled How to Cook a Spiral Ham on the Gas Grill Everyday Life. Here's the link. Try also our second-rank site www.recipetips.com, especially the page Grilling Ham, How to Cooking Tips, recipetips.com. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see bbq.about.com. The web page step-by-step guide to grilling ham, about. This is the link.